Hey, so if you can't access Google Gemini, like it's not opening, showing not available in your region, or blocking your account, yeah, don't worry. This is a common issue and usually fixable. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Google Gemini access problems in 2026. First thing, check your internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent access. Next, make sure you're using a valid Google account. So log out and log back in if needed. All right, check if Gemini is available in your region. I mean, some features may not work in certain countries. Now, manage your VPN. Sometimes turning it off fixes access, but in some cases, using a VPN may help if it's restricted. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. So this removes errors that block access. All right, switch browser or device. I mean, some browsers may not support all features. And yeah, check if Google services are down. Sometimes the problem is on their side. So that's how you fix Google Gemini access problems. Once everything is set correctly, you should be able to use it without issues.